This is a quick unboxing video of the Athlon Argos BTR 6x24x50 rifle scope. Comes with a front focal plane or first focal plane mil BDC reticle, which is great. Plenty of other options, but that's this particular model. Comes with user manual, cleaning cloth, scope itself, and some accessories. Has some washers here. Because this doesn't have a zero stop, you're going to need to use washers to fix the zero once you've got your rifle all set up. And then it comes with a few other basic pieces, some batteries, basically all the accessories you need to run the scope. Comes with some scope caps, which is great. Don't have to buy those extra. Generally feels pretty solidly made. A little plasticky perhaps on the some of these parts, but it is a very cost-effective scope, and I've got an amazing number of features considering we have a mil scope here. It has parallax, has a pretty solid magnification. We can obviously set the eyepiece here. Specifically set it to our own eye setup, and we've also got an illuminated reticle, and it's a BDC reticle, so that's a lot of features for this package. And one of the reasons we get a lot of features is because obviously it's made in China, so the glass on this isn't going to be the same as some of the other scopes in these unboxing reviews, but it feels pretty solidly made, and it's got a lot of great features and accessories for the price. Let's just take a little look at the weight. So it comes in at 1 pound and 14 ounces. So there we have it. A quick unboxing video of the Athlon Argos BTR scope.